Welcome back to the School Challenge Quiz Access Review and the Preview Show. I'm Andre Skeet.
And I'm Renee Flowers. If you're just joining us, the review and the preview shows have joined forces, so you can't afford to miss anything.
So the SCQ Access team caught up with a few of the winning quiz team players after their match. Take a look.
My name is JHANEILLE and I'm the captain of the St. Diego High School quiz team. In the future, I would like to become an entrepreneur. That match was a very successfully executed match. I think we executed how we have been trained to execute. Despite the few mistakes that were made, we executed well. The mood in the camp, I would say it's pretty similar to all the years before. It's just that we have been more cautious because of the COVID-19, obviously. But yeah, it's been the same.
Hello, Jamaica. My name is ROSHANE, captain of the St. George's College School Challenge Quiz team. And in the future, I would like to become a neurosurgeon. To tell you that match was very, very, very tense. This match taught us that composure is key, and the coach's tactics are very brilliant. And we went into the match and we did what he wanted us to do, and it led us to victory.
St. Diego de la Vega. Which school comes to mind when you hear this phrase? Yes, you're correct. We caught up with the St. Diego High quiz coach, Romeo Lee.
My name is Romeo Lee, and I'm the coach of the St. Diego High School School Challenge Quiz team. I got into coaching pretty early, as a matter of fact. I got into coaching right out of my senior year at St. Diego. It was based on a request by a parent that I knew beforehand, and the rest was history, as they say. Coaching during COVID, it's definitely a new experience. It's new, it's different, it's challenging. I think that is the best word to sum it up, challenging. The reality of the situation is you have to be creative, finding new ways, utilizing the new mediums and the new media to get things across. Different platforms, definitely, and you have to depend on the students to be a bit more disciplined and vigilant. As opposed to you being there physically most of the time. The key to keeping a team motivated during this period of distraction with social media and so forth, I think is simply to trust and also to give them some more levels of freedom. The reality of the situation is, it is stressing on them as well. The reality of the situation is, I can only imagine what they have to go through, exams plus a competition of this magnitude, and then having a social life. I think that it's important to give them a little bit more breathing room. It allows them not to be stressed or allow the stress to overcome them. So it's a matter of giving into the distraction somewhat, a bit more, in order to ensure that it does not consume you. From a scale of 1 to 10, how prepared are we? Let me put it to you this way. The reality of the situation is we always prepare to win. That's the nature of St. Diego. I'm not going to say that it's a definite foregone conclusion that we're going to win. I think that we're still in preparation mode. It's hard to put a number on it. If I'm supposed to, I would say around 8, and hopefully the 2 comes into play before the end of the season.
Remember, you can catch the matches on onespotmedia.com if you missed the live action. Also, check out our Instagram page at TVJ_SCQ Access.
Stick with us, we'll have more on the Access Review and the Preview Show in just a bit.